What is going on, guys? Today in this video I am installing a sub into a C200 Merc, and I hope you enjoy. Alright, for the first test, power lights up. Right, it works. So guys, right now I am putting on the connector for the cable that goes from the battery to the amp, and I also put electrical tape around that so it prevents the cable getting shorted. And here, guys, you can see me putting that cable onto the battery. I found a spot where I could take off a nut and screw it back on with the terminated cable on there, so I chose to do that, and that's how you'll probably do it on most cars. So guys, that security cable there is going into this box which distributes the audio, and it also has a remote turn on, so that's why the security cable is there. It's going to be used for the remote turn on, and the remote turn on is usually blue and white. And here you see the connection for the remote turn on. I use these things called Scotch locks. They basically like you soldering two cables together. It's just way easier. You put the cables through these two little holes for them, and you just squeeze it and it connects them together. Really simple way to connect cables up, and you can get them from eBay for cheap. Links below in the description. So guys, we have basically finished the install. I ran a few things differently from the first video you saw. I have now run the positive through this little hole here in the battery, and the negative going there too, and then they come out there. And this is the fuse. Where is it? Yeah, this black thing here. Then we have the security cable, which is that white cable there, and it's gone behind that thing there, and come out right there. And then I've connected them to the sub, so we have ground, 12 volt, and the remote. And I have the RCA. The RCA is just here. I got a barrel and just tucked it under here into there, and that comes out there as well. So, got to show you. I've also soldered this on, which is on this cable, and I put a fan in there just to be funny and keep it cool, I guess. So that's that. And this is the sub. It has one of those connectors again, NL4. Oh no, sorry, NL4. No, speak-on. Or is it an NL4? Yeah, it's an NL4. So this is an NL4. Goes into that place here. Just clipped in. And I just put some security cable on two of them just to test. while I wait for the other cable. Not so much. So, got the sub. Hopefully you can see. So it's just rocked up. Just turn the stereo on. I think it works. As you can see, green light. What'd you say?
Oh, there